All right, I want to show you guys this really quick, right out of the pocket. Look how pocket sized that is. What this is, and it's amazing travel companion. What I want to show you is this is a USB transmitter and receiver. That's right, look at that. That's pretty cool how it goes together. So let me show you exactly how this works. So this right here is going to transmit a 1080p signal from your phone, your computer, anything that has a USB-C to this guy, which is HDMI. So think about this for a couple different use cases. One, you want to use your phone if you have a Samsung phone or Apple phone and you want to use it on a bigger monitor and you have a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, you can actually use it that way. Or for me, the main reason why I use it is it's compact, slide right into a travel backpack, and now I have it at a hotel. If I want to stream anything from my phone onto the hotel TV, all I need to do is just have access to the HDMI, and boom, I got my Netflix, my YouTube, everything on there on the hotel TV. So this is a great travel companion that is sleek, fits in your pocket, obviously, also in a travel or carry-on when you're traveling. Let me show you really quick how it works. So come around here, what you get is you get this little flat HDMI cable that it's probably a couple feet right here of an HDMI cable. It's flat. Again, I think the theme here is to fit in a travel backpack. You slap this into the TV. And this works perfectly. The only thing you need to know on this receiver end is that it goes in HDMI and then you're going to need to have power. Now this is perfect when you're camping like we are right now. We're at a campground, and if you don't have internet at the campground or you don't have a cell phone signal so you can't stream anything, this is perfect so you can download your Netflix shows and you can stream it from your computer or from your phone right to here. So we got this hooked up. Wait till the blue light clicks on and just punch it in like that. If it doesn't work on the first, you just press this button to connect it. All right, and we got that hooked up right there, and now I can use my phone kind of like a touchpad, if you will, and then we go here, go to YouTube. All right, you can see right here, we can just play YouTube right here. Now the speakers come out of here. Obviously the speakers coming out the phone, but if I have Bluetooth earbuds, I can use that Bluetooth earbuds. So Bluetooth it from my phone to anything that I need. So again, you have a transmitter, a receiver that needs to be powered, 1080p. Put this in your travel companion pack, put it in your pocket. Anytime that you need to watch something, have some downtime, whether you are traveling, camping, or anything that doesn't have power or anything like that, now you have entertainment on the go ready, even if you don't have Wi-Fi connection, or if you're in a hotel and you don't have smart TV or access to all your logins. Either one of those things is going to work great, and there you go, you're welcome.